Ever been stranded with a dead car battery and get frustrated while trying to start the car engine? Can one compact device really jumpstart your vehicle and get you back on the road in seconds? Let's dive into the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 battery jump starter and see if it lives up to the hype. About the product. The GB40 is a portable lithium-ion battery jump starter pack that delivers 1,000 ampere for jump-starting a dead battery in seconds. It features a patented safety technology that provides spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, making it safe and easy for anyone to use. If you are interested in picking up the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 battery jumper, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Package included: GB40 microfiber storage bag, heavy-duty precision battery clamps, user guide, 12-volt 2.1 A USB, micro USB. Parts description. Using method. Step 1. Charge the GB40. Connect the GB40 to a USB-powered port. You can charge it via an AC adapter, car charger, computer, or any 2.1 amp USB port for safe and efficient charging. The LEDs will slowly pulse on and off and become solid. A full charge will take approximately 3 hours. Step 2. Connect to the battery. Connect the battery clamps to the GB40 by connecting to the 12V out port. Connect the positive, red HD battery clamp to the positive battery terminal. Connect the negative, black HD battery clamp to the negative battery terminal or vehicle chassis. Step 3. Jump starting. Power on the unit. All LEDs will flash, indicating that all LEDs are properly functioning. If you are properly connected to the battery, the white boost LED will illuminate. If the battery clamps are connected in reverse, the red error LED will illuminate. The white boost LED is illuminated when the GB40 is ready to jumpstart your vehicle. Start the vehicle. Once the vehicle is on, power off the unit and disconnect the clamps from the battery. Specifications. Warnings. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to grab your NOCO Boost Plus GB40. Thanks for watching.